What is it? Why are you crying?
Mom, it's nothing.
No, don't tell me it's nothing. While you're crying. Eh? Who's there in that phone? Whose picture is there? The man? Which man? Who? Eh?
Mom,
talk to me.
It's my boyfriend. He promised me marriage. And since the travel, I'm not seeing him again. I'm not for him. He has not called me in 2 months now.
Is that why you're crying? Eh? My dear, stop crying. Eh? If truly he loves you, he must come for you. Eh? It's okay.
Mom, I want to call him. I want to talk to him. I want to hear from him. I want to talk to him. I want to hear his voice. I don't know what is happening again.
It's okay. You will hear from him. Just relax. Relax. Oh?
Kelvin, please call me.
Yes.
Kelvin, I want to talk to you, Kelvin.
It's okay. Eh? He will call you soon. I promise you. He will. Never can tell. Maybe he's very busy.
Mom, it's taking time. It's taking time.
Okay, do you want to kill yourself?
Kelvin, please go back.
Because of him.
Kelvin, please talk to me. Please, Kelvin.
Juliet, it's okay now. What is all this? Huh? It's okay. Okay, since you don't want to close your mouth, let me sing a lullaby for you. Like you are a baby, abi? Oh yeah, tata, bechono, tayo. Oh yeah, now. Cry now. Cry, baby.
What? Where is it? Kelvin and Pure Heart. Hope it's not what I'm thinking. Kelvin, Pure Heart. No, Juliet, calm down. This will not be true. But the closeness in this pics is not just ordinary. Could it be what I'm thinking? But Kelvin knew Pure Heart's my friend. Likewise, Pure Heart. No. Okay, Pure Heart. No.
Stop, Juliet. What's all this for?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Juliet, give me this video.
No. Leave me alone.
So have yourself. Eh?
Give it to me. No.
Oh. Juliet, what is it? Just come over here. You want to harm yourself?
You saw when I and James had our own problem. When he left me for another girl, I did not kill myself. I simply moved on. He later came back and begged me. Please now, what's all this?
Juliet, listen to me. You know pure heart. Listen. You know Kelvin knows pure heart is our friend. Yes. And he also knows that she's your friend. So he can't do that to you. Maybe they just met somewhere and they were like, you understand? They don't have anything in common. Don't go there. You want to kill yourself. If you kill yourself, Kelvin will look for some other girl. I don't know what you're doing. You have to take it easy, okay? I don't even know what to say. Just look at it. Can you imagine? You want to make me cry now. It's okay. Will you stop this nonsense? Eh? No, it's not okay. Why? Hey! Don't even think about this. Don't at all. What is it? Help.
Kelvin is cheating on me. 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 Kelvin, please. Kelvin, please.
Stop.
Kelvin.
Stop this.
Kelvin.
It's okay. Stop. Kelvin is not the end of your life.
Let me to call him, please. Let me to call him.
I will call
Let me to call him, please.
Calm down.
Please, let me to call him.
Calm down.
Call him. Call him for me. Call him for me. Still on me. Call him for me.
Okay, I'll call him. But you need to calm down first.
Call him, please.
It's okay. What are you doing to yourself? Because of Kelvin.
Yes, because of Kelvin. Because of Kelvin.
Fine,
Please,
fine.
call him for me, please.
He will come back.
Please, I'm waiting for him.
He will come back. He will definitely come back. He will come back. It's okay.
Please.
She's getting up.
I didn't. This is the drink we have to take. We have to take.
Kelvin! Kelvin, why did you do this to me? Kelvin!
What is it? Careful. Talk to me. What is it? What are you doing to yourself? Yeah?
Please, Kelvin!
this time now. You can't continue like this. What did he do?
Can you imagine? Kelvin is dating my best friend, Pure Heart. People have the guts to put their pictures on Facebook. Mama, finish.
So this.
Kelvin, please. Kelvin, why did you do this to me? Kelvin.
It's okay, it's okay. We can't continue like this. Why? Get up. It's okay. Please.
Oh, let me alone. Kelvin, please come back to me. Come back to me, please. Please come back to me.
Get up now. Get up. I don't like It's okay, darling.
No, I want him back, please.
You cannot force him to love you.
He must love me. He must love me.
Juliet, listen to me, please. If Kelvin does not love you, another person, another man will love you.
I don't want another man. It's Kelvin I want.
Someone else is there waiting for you.
No, I don't want anyone, only Kelvin. Kelvin, please, I'm waiting for you.
Okay. Let's hope he will come back. It's okay. Don't worry. Maybe I'll call him tomorrow. I will. You want me to?
Yeah. This is Barrister James speaking. Hello, I can hear you. Yes. Kelvin. You mean Kelvin Kevano? Kevano? What's up? You just disappeared and nobody started hearing, in fact, nobody heard from you again. You went out of the country and you didn't even bother to let your friends know. I mean, I thought you were family. What are friends for then? Yeah, I'm in my office going through some files. I mean, you didn't do well at all. You didn't do well at all. Kelvin, I must say this. Okay? You're coming back to Nigeria by month's end. Okay, last Tuesday. The last Tuesday should be the 30th. Okay, you'll be back by 30th. Okay. Have you also called Juliet to tell her this? If not called her, I guess I'll have to take the news to her myself then, since you didn't call her. Yeah, you didn't do well. Even Juliet, you didn't even tell her you were traveling and then you just disappeared into thin air. I mean, I must say we are friends, but you didn't get that quite well. Kelvin, I hope you're not just coming empty-handed.
She'll be fine, madam. You just call her. She'll be okay. Thank you.
So, madam, excuse me. Are you sure?
Yes, she'll be fine.
She'll be fine, okay? Juliet. You'll be good. Hmm? Nothing will happen to you.
You're welcome. Please come inside. You can make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Let me just go in and help you.
It's alright. James, wow. You will have to. Yeah, he's alright. Deva resta. Baba. That's too much. This one will now come August meeting for my house today. Waiting happen. Now not just call me, now not tell me so now they call.
Next level.
Yeah?
We just did, nothing there.
We came to surprise you.
Anyway, we took you by surprise, just like you said.
That's fine.
We decided to take you by surprise. Just like you said.
So what do I offer you?
No, I don't want that. We are okay.
Okay, we're fine. I've not seen you guys for some time now, and then you're just coming to my house and you're saying you don't want anything.
It's okay.
Don't worry about it. You're fine. Okay, you say so.
Yeah. Unless you want to offer Chris the book. That's what we were going to.
He's a gentleman, I don't do that. Because those threats over there.
I'm always calm, you understand me? I'm not
Again, leave drinking, leave anything. Just
I bet bring the book for Chris, Joe.
When you talk that kind of thing,
I'm not.
that's not gentleman, I forget this thing.
No, man.
Forget, now this kind of person I don't say like 3. As you say I'm so now 3 meters. 3 meters you can enter. But guys now, in this somehow, I know you come to my house now, my son, I want to take care of it. Yeah? Super take, we just freestyle and beg.
I see you. You don't really happy like this. What they happen? What is the source of your happiness? You know, wait to make a guess. Has Cynthia accepted your proposal?
Hey, Cynthia. Far from it. This has nothing to do with Cynthia. I don't understand. You are just smiling, enjoy. As in, what's this up now? This is your happiness. I be you win Bet Niger. I be na jackpot. Talk to us now.
Just stop keeping us in suspense. Let the cat off the bag.
Okay? Simple. Same cat. What's it that year? Bet Niger pay well. And if you say no problem, sha. Only say, it's not only that our lost friend is back.
Wait, lost friend. Please, is it of our friends listen? I wonder, if I may ask.
I don't understand.
Nah, but what one is it?
Talk to us now. Stop beating around the bush.
Do well now. We're here to play. Talk to us guys now. How you?
But what always what? Yes, your trousers be like person with fights. Like
Yeah, you're not married man now. Two they are.
Give the name. Stop beating around the bush. Like, guy, talk to us. What thing they happen? Kelvin called me yesterday and
Kelvin. Our own Kelvin.
makes sense now. Kelvin Cavano. Hey,
You want that?
said he'll be coming in by month end.
Oh. This month end.
Wow. Go ahead. Let me get my. Excuse me. It's actually the one calling.
Careful.
Go ahead. Pick up now. Go ahead. I'll put that for loudspeaker. Hello? Kevano. I just tell them say you call me. Yeah. Everyone is here. Then they hear you now. You don't want to hear back. And they wave for me. I hope you see my hand. Okay. Hello? Hello?
Let's go.
Network is just network so far around here. Bad network in this spot. So he said he would like us to come and pick him by 30th. So will you guys be free? Until then now me and it's free. Now our friend now. Don't be our friend again. Our nigga now no man. So Kelvin. Don't miss him.
Same here.
When it comes now, we'll just go. But what comes to think of it, hope Juliet is aware she's coming. It's coming rather. You know the way Kev behaves. He might just end up bringing a white woman with him from Mali. So,
You have a point there. I think we'll have to relay the message to Juliet ourselves.
Yeah.
And tell her to go. Yeah, that's right.
Exactly.
Okay?
No problem.
Since you guys said you're not going to eat anything.
Just take it to the wall.
Please, we are looking for.
we're here to see our friend. Juliet. Yes, we're here to see our friend Juliet.
Nurse, please come. Please come and take this sister to the Juliet's ward.
Juliet.
Juliet.
Jesus. This is serious. Juliet. 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 Juliet, what happened? What happened to you? Juliet, you were hospitalized. We never knew about it. What if something serious happened to you? Juliet, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Which is?
Kelvin issue, of course. This girl. Juliet, why do you keep hurting yourself because of Kelvin? Juliet, you are a strong woman. You have to move on with your life. Jesus. So what has the doctor said? It's okay. Please take good care of yourself.
Juliet. Well, how come nobody told us you were rushed to the hospital?
Yeah, that's wrong. How long have you been here, dear?
It's been 5 days now.
5 days. Wow.
The doctor said it will be discharged tomorrow.
That's wonderful. At least that's quite relieving. We came bearing news.
What news? Hope it's not a bad news.
No. Yeah. Actually, this material.
Yeah.
Kelvin is coming in by month end. So we hope that by then we'll be strong enough.
Kelvin, I've not heard from him for the past 3 months now. Or have I done something wrong?
No. You never did anything wrong. I'm sure probably he just wants to surprise you. Just like an angel in the night, you know?
Yeah, like an angel.
Thank you. If you say so.
Well, what about your mom and your sister?
Yeah.
Don't they come to visit you? Sorry.
They were here earlier. They left for the house to get something for me.
Okay, that's quite good. I hope they're giving you the necessary medications.
Yeah, but God's grace.
Oh, you'll be fine, okay? Especially now that Kelvin is on his way.
Sure.
How about please?
He's fine. He's busy with work, so let's go.
Sorry.
Hey, what will I have done? Oh, I really thank you. Welcome, my dear. It's well with you, okay? Nothing will happen to you.
Nothing.
Soon you will get over it, oh? Just relax. I'm here for you. You'll be fine, okay? My love. As well. What do you like to eat? Yeah? With sauce, oh? My dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the kitchen.
Yes, ma'am.
Put on gas for me. Then start peeling the yam immediately. Let me come up for her. Oh?
Okay. This is sorry.
Sorry, yeah? Nothing will happen to you. My first food. I love you so much. You're my darling. Don't worry, eh? No one will break your heart again. I'm here for you, oh? You are good as you are. Just be alive for me, okay? Let me go and make the yam for you. Let me go and cook it special. So that we eat and have a nice rest. Are you still feeling pains at all? You okay? You'll be fine. Oh? I love you. And smile for me now. Smile for mommy. Smile, smile, smile. That's my baby.
Now welcome back, babe.
Thank you so much. Thanks. It's good. Yeah.
So tell me, how are you feeling now?
I'm better. I'm much more better.
Thank God.
Your sweetheart, I hope you're taking your drugs as the doctor instructed you to.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Juliet, you have to take things easy. You won't kill yourself because of Kelvin. I don't know what you're doing though. Yeah? Take it easy.
Exactly. Selena is right. Stop all this mood. We are here. So stop feeling bad. Huh?
How did you expect me to do that? When someone I called my best friend, you guys know.
It's okay.
Snatch away the love of my life. How do you expect me to keep calm? How?
Babe, it's okay. Let's not accusation blames on them for now. At least until we see them come back.
Did you just say come back?
Yes.
Okay. Kelvin is coming back in 2 days' time. Yes. But before then, come and take a look at these pics. Here.
No.
Yes, it is.
What?
No.
Get this.
This can be true.
Eh?
I got it via Kelvin's Facebook.
No. What?
I can't believe this. I really can't believe this. Hey.
Yes. It was all because of this. I took poison and almost died in the hospital.
What?
Thank God I survived it. Yes.
You did what? You took poison. Oh my God, Juliet, why did you go that far? What is it?
As if that is not enough. Did you girls know I had an abortion for Kelvin, which almost took my life? Because he promised that when he gets here, he'll come back and marry me. But here I am, only for me to wake up and see Kelvin, pure heart together. Look at this picture is so close. It's not just an ordinary picture. Do you guys see it?
It's okay.
And you're telling me to calm down? How?
It's okay. Well,
If you have to go there.
I insist we wait until they come back to you. Please.
You have to know that Kelvin must be so heartless. He deserves to die.
No. I don't want anything to happen to him. I still love him.
Hey, babe, stop.
Yes, I still love him.
Stop.
Yeah, guys, I miss you guys, for real. Yeah. I remember those days in school, how we, party together, eat together, do everything together. Yeah, I remember all that. Yeah, fine. Seriously. I'm sorry I'm hosting all of you here. It's just that my father and my engineer, I don't know what they're saying, what they're doing about my house. But the good news is that they said by month end, everything will be set. So we're fine. Yeah, I'll host everyone by.
That was nice.
Yeah.
That was
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Joe, always looking 20 years every day. With you on sports. You can't change. I was just looking at you and Chris with his dread. Oh, after years.
I'm always young. I'm always like
this. Yeah, bro.
I've told him that he's drawing night to click.
Yes, I don't want to say anything about you also because, you're a corporate man. Always on suit. Yeah. Soon I will now get together to say, let's celebrate Pastor. Cheers. That's good. You're welcome once again.
Kelvin, my man.
Yeah, bro.
How the Malaysia girls? I hope they don't carry anyone come back soon.
Come on.
But I hope you did some smooshing and
I just said something that my nigga is here. Listen, guys. You and girls, you not changed.
Change for what?
I hope you married them.
Pipeline, bro.
Yeah, bro. Oh goodness. For real, you gotta come and trust me. Remember, then in school, I'm a showman. Yeah, bro.
My ask before I come in.
Go on, bro.
Hope say carry anybody come Nigeria because mosquito go just finish am like
immediately.
Man, I'm no longer a boy now. I'm a man now, so you don't understand. Well, even if I come back with anyone, we have treatment over there before you come to Nigeria. You just have to take the treatment so that any mosquito or whatever malaria you will not harm you, will not do anything to you.
It's a better country.
You're for real, for real.
Wow, good to see you.
Yeah, pleasure, bro. Are you married now?
Pipeline, bro. Still in the pipeline.
Oh my god. Yeah, pipeline, I know.
Almost there.
Frank, you're just quiet. You're not talking. What's going on?
That's true. It's not like I don't feel like talking, or I don't want to talk. I'm just having so many things in my head.
Oh, sorry.
You see, my mother and my wife, those two women, they are seriously on my nerves. They are so annoying. Like, sometimes I just feel like I never got married.
Oh, no, don't say that. Sorry, bro. It's not. I'm sorry. It's not. Seriously, we're not laughing at you, okay? No, it's just that. You can't say that, bro. Women are wonderful. Women are good. See, yes, fine. When you married a good woman, it's a good thing to you. Sometimes, one thing we guys don't understand is that women are a wonderful thing to men. It's just that when you get the bad one, you understand? Have you imagined yourself? In fact, Smith will tell you when he's not in a good mood, the only thing he can, calm his down is his benefit checks, his ways. When you have a good woman in your life, everything you want and how you want it will play out. It depends on how you want it to be, because sometimes women are like, how will I put it? They're like your pillow, where you want it to be. That's how they'll be for you.
You become a pastor.
No, for real, seriously. But if you have a good girlfriend, she can also help you plan things and it will work out.
The only thing I need here is just to take cold wine, relax my nerves, so that when I just get home, I will just sleep.
Oh, come on. If it is wine, I have it. I have them here. Don't have to bother yourself. No, but don't say that. You have to test it, Like you said, no. I think women are good, for real. They are good. If you have a good wife, if you have a good woman in your life, everything will work out the way you want it. It's just that sometimes these girls, when they misbehave, it looks like the whole world is going to crush on you. It's not like that. All you need to do is to have a good woman who understands you. Even while dating, when you have a good one, it can help you plan your life. No, but it's good to marry. It's good. Yeah. So please, cheer up. Okay?
Come to me for lessons,
No, if you're talking about drinking, yeah, Smith. Smith is good. He can give it to, look at the way he's asking me of, smooch, It's good. It's good. But talking about drink, I have it. Everything, any kind of liquor you want, kind of brand. Sorry. Honey? Honey?
Yes, darling.
Please come. I have visitors. My guys are here. You just have to entertain them. Get something good for them, okay?
Okay, sweet.
My baby.
Alright. Honey?
Yeah, bro. I have a woman now. I have someone.
We are waiting. Huh? Honey, please be fast, be fast. Hey.
One knot.
Yeah, for real, she's good. She's my woman. I'll soon I will food the whole thing to you guys. Yeah, I believe when you come to celebrate my house, we'll talk more about it.
No problem, it's alright.
Yeah, bro. Come on. Just go. Let me enjoy with my friends and it's okay? Love you too. Okay, guys. Sorry, that was my woman. That was my love. The woman I love so much. Okay? Let me serve you.
Wait. Sit down there. Sit down. I don't understand you, Kevin. You were saying, I heard you saying, honey, I was expecting probably Juliet. That your babe now. We know something for you. I can't surprise. I couldn't see pure heart. Kevin, a pure heart. Guy, you the fuck up. Oh.
Calm down, guy.
Guy, I don't the vex. You don't make me the vex.
Is this the reason you refuse telling us?
Kevin! Oh.
Wait. Hey, this thing have all laugh. We'll make her live laugh because it's serious. Are you serious? That you abandoned your girlfriend, Juliet? That girl suffered so much. She has suffered a lot.
For years.
And
for years.
No, you didn't do well.
Kelvin,
you didn't do well.
Do you know what that girl went through because of you?
Wait. Hope you've not forgotten what Juliet went through because of you. Of course, we can forgive the fact that you left and you told us nothing. But that girl spent 6 days in the hospital because of you. That girl sacrificed a lot because of you. She went through a lot because of you. And for what? Just for you to do whatever I think I'm seeing you're doing with pure heart. Kelvin, I'm disappointed.
Seriously, guys, you just have to calm down and understand that.
Understand what, Kev? No, understand what, Kev? So you can be this heartless. Guys,
Guys, calm down.
Kevin, you have mashed line. Don't explain, I don't want to hear nonsense.
James, sit down.
Kelvin, you know, all these things I've been enduring it. But this is the height of it. I'm so disappointed. Goodbye.
You understand? You guys might not really understand it, but it doesn't work the way you think it should work. Life is not like that. That's why we say life is up and down, you know. But yeah, Juliet. Say life is it's not easy. You cannot please everybody at the same time. Sometimes you just have to step out.
Can't believe what I just saw. Someone had told me that Kelvin would do this. I mean, Kelvin has just disappointed me. So disappointed.
Guys, what are we going to do now? I believe that Juliet is not aware.
Please. Whatever we want to do, anything we want to do, please, let's not tell Juliet about this. I'm afraid she might hurt herself.
See, Kevin don't mash line. Don't mash better red line. Kevin don't cast. I didn't vex as I did so.
He didn't do well.
Since our university days.
To say that he even made this movement without letting us know is even forgivable. Okay. But for this thing that he did to Juliet, I don't know what to say. I'm not just happy.
This guy has gone through hell for him. He doesn't deserve this kind of treatment.
Wasted ages.
Kevin!
Juliet has suffered a lot right from time. So what do we do now?
Guys, I still insist. We don't tell her about it. At least not yet. I have this feeling that I don't know.
It's very, very disappointing.
Okay.
But I just hope that everything goes well with her.
I pray so.
So annoying.
It is that, for me, I'll just allow him play out his card. And whatever that comes out of this, everybody should just count me out.
I'm with you, bro. I'm with you all the way.
Me too.
I don't think so.
He's not going to. He's not going to.
I'm not taking. I'm not taking.
Guys, I regress.
This is so painful.
I want to go rest too. I'm moving on.
Oh, wow.
Sweetheart. Honey. Please come. Honey, I want us to discuss something.
Oh, sweetheart, is it about what happened between you and your friends earlier today?
Yeah. Yeah, it is, you know. They are all angry with me. You know, they are just very angry with me. But I understand. I understand why they were angry, but there's nothing I don't know. There's nothing I can do about the whole thing.
You know I love you.
And I love you too. You know that.
Yes, sweetheart. And I'll always be here for you. Please, I want to beg you. Please, don't let whatever that happened bother you. For my sake, please. Please go to bed.
You know I love you so much. I want you to be happy always.
Yeah, for you.
Go to bed. I'll join you soon. Please.
Let's go together.
Honey. I'll join you soon, okay? Go on fresh, you know. I'm trying.
Don't get nervous, too.
You're always looking good, man. You don't even look like you're in this country at all.
Even with the stress of work.
Yeah. You know, we over there, things are not like the way you think it is, but we're still doing it. You know? Look at the kind of drink we have here in this country. You know? Over there, you can't see it. You can't eat it this way. You just eat anything the whites eat there. That's what you just have to eat. You know, no place like home. Look at it. I'm enjoying this.
There's no place like home. And that's why you're supposed to get married to somebody who is in Nigeria. You know, born and brought up in Nigeria. To always get this delicious meal for you.
Okay, yo, bro, that's true. That's true, but you know, talking about marriage, yeah, is a thing of choice. It's not all about getting married to someone here. It's also your choice sometimes, you know. That's the thing. I don't know. Who is that?
Don't worry, I'm okay. I'm actually okay.
James?
I'm fine.
Come on, let them get you something, I don't know, maybe fish, they have the soup and the rest of them.
Okay, I'm okay.
Sure?
Yeah.
As in you stop drinking or what?
I'm okay.
No. I learned they have pepper soup, chicken, whatever, as in everything, fish. Let them get you something.
I'm just okay.
No. Don't tell me you stopped taking liquor. You don't drink liquor anymore or what?
No, that comes with the profession, you know.
Wow. I wish I'd be like you, bro. You know, over there you must take alcohol because when it's cold season, you understand that. No place like home, bro. James, you see, I'm surprised you mentioned something that I am planning of doing. In fact, that is the reason for this meeting. I want to get married. My wedding is coming up soon, and as a brother and a friend, you know, I want you to be in my committee, you know, committee of friends. You know, you're brilliant, you're intelligent. I know you can contribute a lot to it to make it a success. That's why I want you to to really play a vital role in this my event. Okay, I want to face it. I want to be a real man. You understand? I know you guys are angry with me, but you guys just have to take it cool because you see, this life is all about offending people and reconciling with them. Yes, you know. Sometimes if you don't offend people, you can't get what you want. But the important thing is that when you offend people, you realize that yeah, I've done wrong, I've done something that is not supposed to be done, and you just have to amend it. I want you to be part of my committee. I mean, my wedding is coming up soon. I want you to play a vital role, you know. You've been my friend, you're like a brother. I want to see you everywhere, you know.
Were you talking about forgiveness and other things? Does this get to say you're talking about Juliet?
Oh shit, no, bro. We shouldn't be going back to the old life now. I'm talking about moving further, moving ahead, thinking of the future. I have a woman in my life right now that I really want to settle down with, and yes, fine, Juliet. I won't forget the past. I won't forget the fact that she was there, but we just have to forget the past. Right now, I have a woman who I'm so much in love with. Her name is Pure Heart. And
Pure what?
Pure Heart.
James, can you hear yourself? Pure what?
Why are you acting like this? As in, you know her. You know her before we moved down to outside the country.
Look, James, I can't even believe I'm hearing this from you.
What is your problem here, bro?
Juliet suffered for you. Juliet gave everything for you. Man, that girl went through a lot because of you. Yes, fine. You traveled, you didn't let anybody know. We forgive that. But if there is any wedding that is not that of you and Juliet, please count me out.
Oh no, come on, James. James, you're my brother, you're my friend. That's why I called you. Listen, I will not forget the fact that she was there for me. I will not forget the fact that she had an abortion for me. Fine, yeah.
What?
But
can you hear yourself, Kelvin? She did what? And you even have the mind to do this to her. When did you become this barbaric, Kelvin? When?
Calm down, James. You're taking it too far, man.
Listen. Why won't I?
See, marriage is not something you force someone into. And that you dated a girl in the past is not a criteria for you to get married to her. It's not a must thing, you know. You might date a girl today and tomorrow you find a new love, someone that, you know, something guy.
Can you just hear yourself? Like I've told you before, if there's any wedding that is not that of you and Juliet, count me out. I'm never going to be an accessory or an accomplice to this. I'll just set my mind. This was why you told me to come here. Sorry, bro, I've got to.
Can you see?
I'm off.
Listen, James, you can't work out on me, man. Listen. My fault. It's not my thing. I found a new love. Just have to move on with my life. Just want you to understand, man, with you or without you, bro, my wedding will go on. Yeah. Pure heart. The woman right now.
Big sis. Big sis. Big sis. Big sis. Going to bed.
Okay, I'll join you soon.
Okay, sis, good night.
I'm sure you off the light before leaving. Yes, who's there? Kelvin, what are you doing in my house this time? And don't give me my address because I can't remember giving you this address.
Yes, you're right. I actually got it from my friend, and I know it's not right. It's not right getting your.
What are you looking for here? What do you want?
Juliet, calm down, please. I want you.
Calm down for what? Why?
Can I come in properly? Juliet, I'm sorry. Please. Listen. You have every right to be angry with me, okay? I know I've offended you. I wronged you. I'm not supposed to be here. Please. Please. Okay?
Sorry for what? You didn't know what you've cost me.
Yes, I know that. I'm sorry for keeping me. It's I don't know, but I know I've wronged you, okay? I have wronged you. Please forgive me, baby.
Is there a problem? Are you sure?
Yes, I am. I'm fine. I want you to forgive me. Okay?
It's fine.
You forgive me?
Yeah, I am.
You sure?
Yeah.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
It's okay. Thank you for forgiving me, okay?
Yeah, thank you, you're back.
Yes. Yeah, I'm back.
Are you sure you're back to stay?
Yes.
For me?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
I'm back, okay?
Thank you. I miss you, Lord.
It's okay, baby. Yeah, you know, it's been a while. I spent time with you, and I ate the food you cook, okay? I want you to cook something for me. I want to eat the food you prepare, okay?
What do you want? Oh, I know your favorite.
Yeah, my favorite. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. I'll get it.
Get it.
Just
I'll get it, okay? Thank you, baby.
Has he picked yours?
I'm trying to reach him. He's not picking up.
The number is ringing, he's not picking.
Yeah.
Kelvin, my husband, I don't know what has happened to him. Nothing happened to him. I don't know what happened to him. Nothing happened.
I said you should calm down. Nothing will happen to him. I'm not trying to reach him.
Amy, keep calling him now, Amy.
I'm calling.
Amy, keep calling him.
Wait. Is it the right place? Is it the wedding?
Yes.
Is there any problem? There's a man at the roadside there. They shot the man down. How is the man? How is he? Like.
What is his name? What's his name? Did they call his name?
I don't really know.
Is he wearing the wedding suit?
Yeah, the man is very complexion and tall.
Is he wearing the wedding suit?
Yeah.